with y'all this smoky eye look. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching.
To start with, I'm sticking this sellotape to the edge of my eye. To give a nice base, I'm using this translucent powder and placing it all over my eyelid. For the transition shade, I'm using this warm transition shade from Wet n Wild palette. With the help of a pencil brush, I'm going to make a line over my eyelid and blend it. Now I'm going to take the darker shade and concentrate to the outer V of my eye, and in a circular motion I'm trying to blend it. I'm taking little amount of the product and gradually building it up. Now I'm going to take the pink shimmery shade and place it to the inner corner of my eye with the help of my finger. I'm going to go back to the same brush and blend both the colors nicely. For highlighting my brow bone and inner corner of my eye, I'm using this NYB's kajal. For the eyeliner, I'm using In Color Gel Eyeliner. With the help of an eyelash curler, I'm going to curl my eyelash and then put mascara. For the lower lash line, I'm using this NYB's The Apple of My Eye Kajal.
Here is the final look. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.